Here's how to find posts, videos, and photos that you've liked on Facebook. Now open up the Facebook app or facebook.com. Now there are a couple different options. Let's say there is a post or a video that you've liked. One place that you can see them is in your Reels. So let's hop into Reels. This only applies to Reels. For whatever reason, there's a separate place where you can see all those Reels that you have liked. In here, you'll be able to see at the very top is your profile. Now, if you don't see that profile, it means that you scroll down. All you need to do is scroll up, and then you'll see that profile. And now from here, you can go to your profile. You'll be able to see it categorize it for just the Reels, and I can go over to liked, and it will show me all of the Reels that I've liked. On any of these, I can tap on them, and I can choose to unlike it or just rewatch it. However, keep in mind, this doesn't show you all of the photos or the posts that you might have liked. That's in a different place on Facebook. To get there, we need to get to your settings. So just hop into the settings on Facebook. And after you've done that, let's get to the activity log. The activity log captures all of your activity, including all of your likes. So no matter what you have liked on the Facebook app, it will be in that section. All you need to do is open up your activity and then open up the likes and reactions. You'll be able to see here is Trevor Nace's reel that I just liked and other posts and photos. On all of these, I can tap on it. If I wanted to select it, for whatever reason it's not letting me, I can just tap on the three dots here and hit remove. I can also just hop into that post if I wanted to rewatch it or see it or maybe even unlike it.